Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve error boot disk has been detected or the disk has failed. When you are trying to boot up your computer, the system will check the HDD SSD for boot information and other operating system information in order to boot successfully. However, if the computer cannot find any boot information or operating system on the HDD SSD, the error "No boot disk has been detected" or "The disk has failed" may appear on your screen. To fix the problem, first we will open the CPU cabinet lid. I have already opened, and we will first check the hard drive cables like SATA cable and hard drive power cable. First I open the hard disk SATA cable with the motherboard that is attached, and after opening the SATA cable I plug in another port SATA cable. After connecting the SATA cable to the other port, now you should open the hard disk power cable. After opening the CPU cabinet, go to where the hard drive is installed. You must follow the steps that I am doing. What you will do next is that we have two cables in our power supply, disconnect one and plug in the other. If there is a connection problem after installing the SATA power cable of the hard disk, then your power supply has two hard disk SATA power cables attached. Connect the same to the hard disk SATA power cable. After disconnecting the power cable from the hard disk, then plug another power cable into the hard disk port as I am doing. After the hard disk's power cable is plugged in, you then turn on the computer by pressing the power button. After installing the SATA cable and hard disk power cable, turn on the computer and see if the problem is showing. If the same problem shows, then install new SATA cable, and after connecting the SATA cable, turn on the PC. Hopefully the problem will not show again. If the computer shows the same problem or error after turning on, then there may be a hard disk problem. In my case the problem was hard disk power cable. You may have another problem like hard disk. If the computer is still a same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. After the computer is turned on, the computer will be turned on without any problem, and I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.